guys, this is Anisha here. Welcome back to the Cat King video lecture series. I hope all of you guys know cat is like right around the corner for you, and the admit cards have also come out. So please make sure you guys download your admit card if you have not yet done. For people who have downloaded your admit card, now you need to start walking towards the last mile to cat, because now you have your exam date, your time slot, everything in hand. You just have to pledge yourself, now I have to crack cat. Alright, so one very good thing which we are coming up with for you guys to get the feel of the actual cat is the Cat King Pre-Cat test. For people who have not yet registered for that, make sure you guys register soon for it. The objective is very simple. See, you are preparing yourself all through the day. Probably you're slogging 8 hours, 9 hours, struggling to, give mock tests, study at one place, study in, your comfort zone. Whatever you need, silence, you like music. There are people who study with music on, people who study with lots of food around you and all of those things. In the actual exam, you can't do that. So let's do one thing, let's get used to the exact feel of it. How does it look like to go into a lab which is completely unknown, probably somewhere in some dingy area, going down the streets, reaching 1 hour prior to the exam, with 25 other people sitting in the same room and giving the exam as you, who could give you as many expressions as possible. They could make you happy, nervous, scared, keep shouting, yelling, yes. Like I remember my exam, people used to keep shouting, yes, yes, for what, I don't know, right? So let's train ourselves, let's train your mental mindset up to get used to these all secondary environmental aspects as well also for the CAT exam, because we do not want to leave anything unturned to make sure this CAT is cracked. So this pre-CAT exam will be happening for you guys on 3rd of November. Just make sure you go down to the link which is given in the description, register for the same so that you get your slots in Mumbai, and for people who are not in Mumbai, this is going to happen online as well also, based on the slots available to you guys. So make sure you give the actual CAT level exam. It's going to be at the same level as the actual CAT, based on last 2 years CAT exams made by all the toppers, and at the same time you will be given a lot of exam time changes and everything. No glitches like we saw in the official mock which was there, like changes pattern and everything. People have got paranoid, exam pattern's gonna change and all of that. Nothing's gonna change. So just get back, stay calm, stay focused on your CAT exam. Give that pre-CAT which is actual CAT level. Make sure 15 days you revise end to end everything before you give the exam, so that you actually have more 15 days after that exam as well to boost your preparation for CAT. Alright? And one last thing before I sign off. Guest part is that top 50 rankers are going to get a nice exciting prizes as well also. So you all can go ahead and keep that as your motivation, that the next few all college exams, GDPI forms I'm going to pay by earning it myself. Alright, so all the best. See you guys online further ahead for the pre-CAT analysis. All the best.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Cat King.